Welcome to Polyclarity Demo. We will look at how to schedule and join Polyclarity meetings. We will also look at some of the features of Polyclarity app. Let's start by scheduling a Polyclarity meeting. Simply open Microsoft Outlook and select a new meeting or new event. Add the event name, the people, the date, and the time, all as you normally would while scheduling a meeting. Now, go to the top of the window and you will see an icon for Polyclarity Outlook Edit. If you are on Mac, you may need to navigate to the ellipsis or the three dots and select the same thing. The add-in will automatically generate meeting ID and the invite for all participants. You may add your personal note above the meeting details. You can see the meeting ID and meeting passcode in the details of invite. Now, select Send button. That is all it takes. In this section, we will look at how you can join meetings with the Polyclarity app in your Microsoft Outlook invite. Open the meeting invite and select the link Join using Polyclarity app to connect over video. Selecting the Join link will automatically launch the Clarity app. Note, the app will select your default speaker, microphone, and camera devices. The meeting ID will be pre-populated. You may select mute or unmute to manage your audio or video as needed. If you wish to change the settings, you may select the gear icon in the top right of the page. Select Join Now to join the meeting. Enter the passcode and proceed to the meeting. That is all for joining a Polyclarity meeting. In this section, we will look at some features of Polyclarity app. Let's start by looking at the recently added background effects feature. You can select Set Video Background button located next to Join Now button. You can select Basic mode or you can select Advanced mode for crispier video with higher CPU usage. Auto light adjustment helps in darker environments. The level of background blur effect can be selected as shallow or deep. You can also use default images or your own uploaded images for the background effect. Or you can also choose a solid color fill as your virtual background image. You can also access these background effects and other settings by clicking on top right gear icon. After joining the meeting, you will have access to useful features in the toolbar at the bottom of the window. The first buttons are the audio and video toggle buttons. These buttons allow you to mute and unmute your microphone, and also mute-unmute your camera, allowing you to control what meeting participants see. Next to the audio and video toggle buttons is the Share Content button, which you can use to share a browser tab or a specific window or entire screen to all participants. Next to this is the Raise Hand feature, which will notify all participants that you have input in the conversation. The Participants feature allows you to view current participants and their audio-video and raise hand status. The chat feature will allow participants to talk via text aside from the main video chat. The final tool is the polling tool. This feature allows you to create simple polls for the chat room, gathering quick group decisions. After completing a meeting, you may also leave a rating and a comment based on your experience using the Polyclarity app.